Hi boys and girls, today we're going to be working on sequencing or putting things in order. Okay, everybody is going to need their brown sheet of paper, their numbers. Let's look at our numbers. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you're going to look at your seeds. And what we're going to be doing is putting the numbers in order and how the seed grows in order. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to cut our numbers. So you need to get your scissors. Remember, your thumb up, 2 or 3 fingers on the bottom, and we're going to cut our numbers. Open and close, open and close. Okay, you guys are getting so good at doing your cutting. Okay, the more we practice, the better we get, remember. And then you're going to put the numbers on the side. And you're going to take your other paper and you're going to cut along the dotted line. Open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close, and put these on the side. Okay, now you need your glue, and we are going to find the number 1. Does anybody see the number 1? Here it is. Remember, it's that straight line. And we are going to glue our square on the top of the page. Okay, the number 1. And then we are going to find the number 2. Which one is the number 2? There it is. So again, we're going to put glue on our square all around the edges, a little in the middle. And we're going to put number 2 next. And then let's see, is this number 3? No, that's number 4. This one is number 3. I can't trick you. You guys are too smart. Okay. And we're going to put the number 3 down like this. And then the last one is number 4. Okay. So here we go. And going to put it down. So count with me. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we have to look at our cutouts here. And first, we have just the teeny tiny seed that we plant in the dirt. Which one shows just a teeny tiny seed? Look, it's this one. Can everybody find this one? The teeny tiny seed inside the dirt. That is what happens first when we put the seed in the dirt. So I want everybody to put glue on that one. And then I want you to put it under the number 1. Okay, so right under the number 1, you're going to place that. Okay. Now we have to look at our other pictures that are left. The first thing that happens to that seed is roots start to grow down. At first, you just have one tiny little root and then a little sprout that starts to grow up. Does anybody see that with one little root and one little sprout? That's right. It looks like this. There's the little root and here's the little sprout. So we're going to, again, put glue on our square. And we are going to put that under the number 2. Okay. Excellent job. And now let's look. The roots keep growing till we have lots and lots of roots. But the stem starts to grow up a little bit more. So the stem needs to be a little bit bigger than it is here. Does anybody see that picture? That's right. Here it is. So we're getting more roots in the ground, and the sprout is just starting to peek out of the dirt. So I'm going to put glue on this square. And we're going to put that under the number 3. Okay. And now our last picture has lots and lots of roots down in the ground, and the stem is coming up, and that stem is starting to grow leaves. So do you see that picture? Lots and lots of roots, the stem, and now our plant is getting leaves. So that we are going to glue under the number 4. Okay. And we're going to put it right there. Okay. And here we go. We have our stages of the seed. First, just a teeny tiny seed. Next, we have a tiny root and a tiny sprout. Then we have lots of roots and a bigger sprout. And then we have so many roots, a stem, and leaves. So that is how a plant starts to grow.